Good morning, everyone. I am Simpy. All of you are welcome to EVS class. Let's start with a recap. In the previous class, we participated in quiz vocabulary activity. See, I gave you link of this online quiz. Have you done practice? Yes. Let's check your performance. So many students have done practice. Good job. Well done. Vaibhav Goyal, Sumit Chauhan, Sumant Kumar Yadav, Shri O.P. Jindal Vidya Niketan. Your name is Shri O.P. Jindal Vidya Niketan. Please enter your name, roll number, class section properly. Shaurya Pratap Singh, Shilpi, Sanvi, Sahil Kushwaha, Ashwin, Rudra, Rohan Kumar Pandey, Priyanshi, P.S. Teja, Nandini, Modi Kenisha, Manish Singh, M. Mokshita, Karnik Prajapati, Joy Paul, Jovia, Hetvi, Hema Prashant, Harshit, Ayush Patel, Aryan Singh, Aryan Mishra, Anushka. It's good for you that you are taking interest to study, and I am thankful to your parents. They are supporting you to study. We completed the exercise of this chapter, right? I gave you assignment, revise chapter 2. Have you revised your chapter? Have you revised this chapter? Chapter 2? It's good. Do you remember, today is your assessment. I'll take the assessment of chapter 2, what I wear. It's very important for you and me to know that how much have you learnt. Be ready for the assessment. Let's start. This is your spelling quiz. You have to write down your name, roll number, class, section. Then after watching the video, you have to answer them. 10 words are pronounced in this video and you have to write down those words. You have to write down their spellings, and after that you have to submit it. I will give you link of this online spelling quiz. You will get only one chance to complete this assessment. You have to open this link properly. Take care. Okay, all of you got it? Right. This is your next assessment. First question is, arrange the following in correct order. 4 activities are given here and you have to arrange them properly. 3 options are given here: first, second, third, fourth, first, third, fourth, second, fourth, third, second, first, and you have to choose the right one. That which one is the first activity, second activity, third activity and fourth activity. You have to arrange them like this. Second one, what is the method of creating design on fabric to use dye? 3 options are given. You have to choose the right one. Name the state that are famous for Fulkari. You have to write. Dash color is obtained from spinach. You have to write down the name of the color. Name the process through which cotton balls are converted into yarn. You have to write on the name of that process. You have to choose the correct option. Spinning, weaving, knitting, which one is the right option? Next, arrange the following in correct order. Again, you have to arrange them properly, that which one is the first, second, third, and 3 options are given here. You have to choose the correct one. Next, which of the following is an unstitched garment? Name the state that are famous for Kanta, and after that you have to submit them. Total marks are 10. All of you got it? How you have to complete this assessment? Again, I'll give the link of this online assessment. I'll give this link in the description box. You have to click the title of this video and you will get the link of this assessment. All of you got it? After this, you have to do this one. You have to write down the name of the lesson, your name, and in this column you have to write I know that. You have to write down whatever you know related to this chapter. Then in the next column you have to write what have you learned from this chapter. I learned that. You have to write down your learning. Whatever you have learned from this chapter, you have to do this one. All of you got it? Right. Now, all of you start your assessment, complete it and submit me on time. Be careful, you will get only one chance, so open the link properly and complete it. I'll try my level best to come forward with the interesting session in the future. See you in the next class. Thank you.